Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today is December the 1st, 2018, and I want to at least do the cover of my December daily. And that'll be the only thing I'm going to do because some things that I want to use I can't find. But I at least want to kind of sort of get the cover done. This is my cover from last year. This is my December daily for 2017. And one of the reasons why I'm not going to do the first page is because I like to put a calendar on my first page, as well as something that I've done. And I really haven't done anything today, but I'm going to come up with something. I did use Uber Eats for the first time, so I may stick that in there. But I went and found some stickers, some letter and number stickers. I'm going to use this paper stack right here. I got this from Tuesday morning, but I'm not using it for the cover. I'm going to be mixing different paper pads or paper stacks throughout this month, because I don't want to be like that one was all it was all matchy. You know, all of this really, except for like the solid sheets, they all came from the same paper stack. So I want to be kind of mix match with this one. So not only am I going to be using Holly Jolly Christmas, I'm going to be using my DCWG stack from either last year or the year before called Cranberry Christmas, and an earlier stack that I got, the earliest stack that I got this year called Season's Greeting, which I picked up at Hobby Lobby. Okay, this is Cranberry Christmas. Well, first of all, let's get to this thing. This is a photo album that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And this is the one that, to me, was the better quality one. This one right here, and this the one with the label on the back, wasn't that good of quality. That's why I just got extra pieces in here. So, you know, if I'm in a rut or whatever, I just go here and find a piece and use it. I got this one. This one, like I said, seemed to be the better quality. It doesn't have the label on the back. And I don't know if they still package them like this or not, because I haven't bought a new one this year. This is one I got from last year. And I got these stickers here, which I thought I was going to use, but I'm not yet anyway. I just went to my cranberry stack and I cut these 3 pieces. This is one of the cutouts from the paper pad, and these are just 2 sheets. I measured my first one, which is the burgundy one or the cranberry one, with this one, but it's still a little bit shorter. Let me see if I can see what the measurements are. This is 6 by 4.5, and this one should be 1/8 of an inch shorter or smaller in diameter or smaller in size, and then this should fit right in the middle like so. So let me get my adhesive here. I'll be using my art glitter glue, and I'm just going to get these pieces together. You know what, I really want to use the other one. Let me use this one instead. I'm going to use my Tombow, and I'm just about out of it. I'm going to use this Tombow because it'll give me a little bit more wiggle room, just in case I don't get it right the first time, because I, for whatever reason, can never ever get these things straight the first time. So let me just get some of this glue on here, or this adhesive. Sit that up like I said that'll sit. There we go. So I'm going to put this on here and move it around. Hopefully I can get it to in about lined up before I really adhere it and give it some pressure. Okay, I think that looks about right-ish. It's gonna work for me anyway. And then we're going to put this piece on as well. And like I said, this is just going to be for the cover. And I'll do the back of the journal. No, it's even not in the journal. I'll do the back of my December daily off camera because that's not very interesting. Hell, this ain't even that interesting, but I just wanted to bring this to you guys. Let's see, let's get this together here. And see, the dots are off, so it's making me think it's off. I hope it's straight, but if not, you know what, I'm not going to even trip about it. Okay, this is going to be my cover. Let me just go ahead on and put 2018 down here. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can get 2018 on here without messing it up. Let's start with the 8. Okay, and I'm just going to put it down here in the bottom. I need my reverse tweezers. They're up on this desk somewhere. They would help at making sure that this was at least almost straight. There we go. 2018. This. And we're gonna slap this front cover in here. And there we go. We have the beginnings of my 2018 December daily. Yes, that's what it is. My 2018 December daily. I'm going to put the burgundy sheet. I may even do the gray piece on the back, and maybe put another cutout back there. I'll see, but I'll let you guys know when I come back and do maybe like the first 7-day walkthrough. I'll be sure, and we're gonna go through everything that time. Okay. Alright guys, I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.